Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. Norton Outdoors here. We're out here today, out here at the range, out here having a little fun. Out here with my K22 by Smith & Wesson. Hey, a lot of history, a lot of fun. This thing here is dates way back before pre-war, post-war. So this one here is a post-war pistol here. This revolver here, it goes, I researched it back a little bit here, and I believe it's around a 66 model, I think. So still doing some research on that, and but these revolvers here was well known to be some of the best shooting little revolvers in the world. What a lot have said, but if you ever shot one, you know they're very accurate, very sweet shooting. These are nice. So, but anyway, but just thought I'd just share it, out here this evening, and like I said, it's a lot of fun just out, doing some plinking here, with some cans here and stuff like that, and we got target set up too, but it's just a lot of fun, these things are like I said, history. I mean, they've been around for years and years, and this one's I think in good shape. It's got a nice here. It's got a nice holster with it, and it's a nice leather holster came with it when I picked it up right there. And it's got the K22 even on the holster here, but it's a nice matching set. So but do appreciate y'all stopping in. If you don't mind, hey, go ahead and hit the like button, smash the bell icon, go ahead and subscribe, and that way a few of these videos here come up, you'll be sure to get them. And not only that, it helps support the channel as well, and we do appreciate it. And but these things, this is a double action. It's you can as a single, or you could just pull the trigger as well. So these things, like I said, these are very, very fun. If you like, now that is if you like revolvers, all they shoot is revolvers, and a lot of times it's the semi-automatics that a lot of everybody else. I mean, I like them too, but these are a lot of fun. These are a lot of fun. So y'all stick around, and we'll be right back. All right, which one is the full one? Let's see. Let's see if we can make it through. Got 3 layers of one buys there. Let's see. All right, now let's check them out. All right, let's see. I guess it went, several of them went through all the way to the third and didn't come out the back. Now, keep in mind, folks, these here is these are the CCI Quiet. They're just 710 feet per second. So with a 40 grain bullet there. So these are not what you call a high powered round, and what it is not intended to be. So but a lot of fun. All right, folks, that was just a little fun out here this evening here with the K22 here by Smith & Wesson. K-frame. It is, like I said, a sweet shooting little pistol. So, if you ever get a chance to get one, but I'm sure y'all got your own your favorite revolvers or whatnot. This one's, I've got a few, but when I got this one right here, I kind of like shooting it a good bit, and I also I mean, I got some of the, I got some of the H&R, 9 shots. This is a 6 shot. And so, again, just, no professional by no means, but hey, it's all about having fun and just sharing some of the old history and a lot of the older revolvers. And these things are solid. They're a solid little revolver. And again, a lot of fun. Get a chance, get out and do some shooting. It's again, it's here in the evening after work. So, hey, just again, trying to get out here and before the sun goes down. As you can see, it's almost going down. So, again, y'all check back in with us, like and subscribe. Hey, we'll try to do a few more. And so y'all get out there and do some shooting. We'll catch you next time. We'll be seeing you.